Good evening. Today I am going to do one new video regarding Windows subsystem for Android. It enables your Windows 11 device to run Android applications that are available in Amazon App Store. Android is a trademark of Google LLC. If you are a developer interested in targeting Windows desktop devices and optimizing for Windows operating system, this guide is for you. So just we'll open it and we'll download it and we'll see what are the features and how it will be useful for us and how we can use the features and all. So now just we'll go for Google Chrome and there you check here. I typed Windows subsystem for Android and now we'll download it. Different between versions in this release. WSA 23.0 okay 881 MB is there. Just I select it. Now I'm going to download it. See here, you can see my download has been completed. In downloads you can check it. I'm just opening this in my downloads and I'll drag it to desktop and then I'll do the process. Now I'm going to paste it. Now before that I'll do one folder and then I just created a folder. And gave name as WSA. Just open it and just will paste it. Now I'll extract it. Next. So while copying it will take some time. Just we have to wait for some time. See, after extraction here you can see ISO images are there and application run is there, so just we'll go through run. Run as administration. Windows protected your PC. Don't run away. See here we can see languages, scale, UK, UA. Enable Windows option features. See here, you can see virtual machine platform running. Task manager, CPU, see here we can see optional diagnostic data for Windows subsystem for Android, and Windows subsystem for Android, starting Windows subsystem for Android. It will take some time to load. So now I just opened this Windows, and here Windows subsystem for Android setup has been there, and I'm opening it and type here to search WSA is there. Windows subsystem for Android. I opened it. Subsystem screen reader, subsystem resources, partially running, continuous, graphics, high performance, power saving, optional diagnostic data, join the Windows subsystem, developer mode, compatibility, install apps, and here about system, play, Windows subsystem for Android. So this is the Windows subsystem for Android. So here you can see, you can download it, you can see the features and all. So hope if the video is good and somewhat informative, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you. So this is the Windows subsystem. Thank you.